So in part A, we already proved that triangle ABE are similar to triangle, a bigger one, ECD. And this is talking about right angle triangle. It's very important for you to rotate it on the paper and then make it like this. Otherwise, it's very confusing if you are comparing line and the corresponding line here. This makes much easier. And then they say that AB is 15. AB is 15 and then AE is 25. Before you continue, it's quite obvious that this is right angle triangle, so that you are going to use Pythagoras theorem. BE is equal to square root 25 square minus 15 square. We got 20. Or 3 to 4 to 5, then you can get 3 to 4 to 5, then you can get 4 times 5, 20 directly. So continue, they say that CE is equal to 36. So CE is talking about here 36. And then we are going to find CD. We need to find CD here. Just now I already say this is 20. So our target is CD here. 15 times something give you 36. If you find the multiplier, you can use 20 times that same multiplier to get x. Or in equation, we can simply say their ratio are the same. So this line to this line should equal this one to this one. That's why we are going to write that down. 36 divided by 15 should equal to x divided by 20. Their multiplier should be the same. So x is equal to 36 times 20 divided by 15. So x is equal to 48. Or you may understand that 15 just multiply 2.4 will give you 36. So 20 times 2.4 will give you 48 here. You may understand in this way. So after that, we are going to find the area of ADE. Area of ADE. Okay, this area. Don't forget that they tell us this is a right angle. So what we need, we want to know the base, we want to know the height, then we can find the area of this triangle. You already know AE, which is 25. We also want to know what is ED. So it's quite obvious ED here is equal to square root 36 square and then plus 48 square and then square root. So we write down this is CD. So after that we write down ED is equal to square root 36 square plus 48 square. We got 60. Or we just use the ratio 3 to 4 to 5, we can also get 60 here. So the area of triangle ADE is equal 1 over 2 base times height. Write down the bracket first. The base is 60 while the height is 25. So 30 times 25, 750 cm square, because they give us the unit is cm. So we finished this one, and then part 3. A point F lying on AD such that the distance between EF is less than 23. So is that possible to find a point on AD such that the distance between that point and this point E is less than 23? So basically they are asking you to compare it with the minimum distance. The shortest distance is here. If this is less than 23, then that means it's fine, it's okay. But if it's, let's say if it is 24 point something, then that means it is impossible. So to calculate this is a very small tricks, but not easy for you to think about that in exam. Please think about why they ask you to find out the area. And the shortest distance just now, that means a perpendicular length here is the shortest distance. That means the height. And one hint is AD is already known. AD just now we find out that AD is not known, but there is a method for us to solve it. So the method is find out AD. So now we have a new set of base and new set of height. Then we can draw the conclusion. 1/2 AD times H is equal to the area of triangle ADE, which is 750. We calculate from another pair of base and height. That's what we are going to do. In order to get AD, it seems like coordinate geometry. We want to know what is the width here. It is 15, this is 20, and then this is 36. The total length here is 48. So the total width here is 56, and the height here is also right angle, and the height here is 33. So we can use AD square is equal to 56 square plus 33 square to find out what is AD. Then we find AD is 65. Okay, this is 65. Then we can continue to use this one to solve the answer. 1/2 65 times the smallest possible height is equal to 750. So H is 750 divided by 65 times 2. H, the smallest possible, is 23.0769 something. And very important thing is that less than 23? No, it's larger than 23 cm. That means it's impossible. The smallest value is 23 point something. It's kind less than 23. That's why your answer is, there is no point.